Introduction to bearings. In air and sea travel, the planes and ships need a guidance system that tell the pilots and captains the direction of their destination from their reference position. This direction is often expressed as an angle measured from the compass or magnetic north in the clockwise direction. For example, if a plane is at A and the destination B is in a southwest direction, we say that the bearing of B from A is 225 degrees. In the phrase the bearing of B from A, B is the target and A is the reference location. The compass north is taken from the reference location at A.